Please be advised this show is intended for audiences above the age of 18. The show will contain swearing and dark humor throughout. If you feel this is not for you, please turn off now. Thank you. Round Sound Radio.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around sound, round sound, round sound. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around sound, round sound radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Sound Radio.
Nice to see you, to see you.
Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsound and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Hello, and happy Sunday to you. You're listening to Round Sound Radio. This is Douglas Elfronos.
I hope you're having a wonderful evening. I hope we've had a wonderful week and you're very much looking forward to the weekend ahead. Obviously the football's on tonight, so I'm going to guess that it's not going to be a very busy night because football always robs me. Football all my life has always robbed me. Whether I've been DJing, whether I've been playing gigs or whatever I've done, football has always got in the way somewhere. Right guys, you know the crack. Here we go, top 20 charts this week, and the last remaining 6 will be played also. I'm going to kick you off tonight with our number 20. The Boston Shakers have made the re-entry into our chart with Black Magic. Absolute tunage this. I'm very surprised this hasn't been fighting for number 1, but there you go. That's the way it is.
Laser beam sweat falling from the ceiling. All the shady people looking so appealing. The beer's warm, but no one really gives a damn. All the stuff required, no time for tired, get wired. Strobe lights and smoke, I'm losing focus with my wide eyes. But the bouncers never notice, they don't care. They got tank tops and glow sticks, cracked out on Jack Dan and Red Bull Post Mix. Let them play how they wanna, see how bad they want it. Feeling supersonic, but I'm actually quite nauseous. Spilling gin and tonic on this hot chick, yeah, she lost it. About to lose the plot, how long till I come off this? You do the shots and you made the call, but you don't feel like you're even coming up at all. Smoking fast cause we're on a run, babe. Give you such a hard time for having fun. I think you're wasted and I can taste it. Chemicals on the tip of your tongue. It never lasts, disappears in a flash, could be tragic. Playing with black magic. You don't remember where you were last night after 2. They won't believe what you're saying, they're just gonna laugh at you. Now don't complicate it. Just be glad that you made it through. All you want is to survive, and so you did what you had to do. I don't blame you. Do you still have it? I want the last hit, playing with that magic. Play games, they wanna roll dice, they're looking for Molly, but all they wanted was water with ice. And on the drop he popped a pill, but then he vomited twice. No one really noticed till they turn on the lights, but they were dancing in it, chicks walking barefoot on broken glass. Bouncers turn a blind eye as long as the coke is stashed. Lifesavers, beverages full of flavor. We just getting paid to make it rain upon these ravens. Let them play how they wanna, see how bad they want it. Feeling supersonic, but I'm actually quite nauseous. Spilling gin and tonic on this hot chick and she lost it. About to lose the plot here, how long till I come off this? You do the shots and you made the call, but you don't feel like you're even coming up at all. Smoking fast cause we're on a run, babe. Give you such a hard time for having fun. I think you're wasted and I can taste it. Chemicals on the tip of your tongue. It never lasts, disappears in a flash, could be tragic. Playing with black magic. You don't remember where you were last night after 2. They won't believe what you're saying, they're just gonna laugh at you. Now don't complicate it. Just be glad that you made it through. All you want is to survive, and so you did what you had to do. I don't blame you. Do you still have it? I want that last hit, playing with black magic.
The Boston Shakers actually have a gig coming up very shortly as well. It's BBC Introducing Special, hosted by Dave Monks himself in the Cavern in Liverpool, and they have given me a load of free tickets to give away. But I'm going to be running a promotion next Sunday for that, so somebody will be able to win 5 tickets to that gig. You can't even buy these tickets, guys. They're very exclusive. They will be on sale very shortly. It's £7 a ticket. However, I've got access to them before they go on general sale to the public, which is very kind of them for keeping me in the loop on that. Right, guys, this week at number 19, we have The Brokes with Noise. This is a brand new entry, this. We only had 3 new entries this week, which surprised me. Last week was 6, this week's 3, but there you go. That's the way the cookie crumbles. This week's number 19, guys, The Brokes, Noise. Nice tune, this.